One of the fastest ways to record attendance and completion of activities in PDAble is by using QR codes. No typing, no chasing staff for records later. Just scan and you're done. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a QR code for an activity so your staff can record their participation in seconds. Step 1. Create an in-house activity. First, go to In-house Activities from the left menu. Click Add Activity. An in-house activity is any professional development event you organize for your staff. This could be a workshop, seminar, webinar, staff meeting, or training session. Select the activity type, then fill in the details. If you want to highlight its importance, you can also add it to your staff's recommended list. Once you're done, click Continue. Step 2. Access the QR code. Your activity has now been created. You'll see several tabs that let you manage the activity. Click on the QR code tab. PDAble automatically generates a unique QR code for this activity. No extra setup required. Step 3. Share the QR code. You can now download the QR code as a PDF, print it and display it at your event, add it to presentation slides, or simply show it on your screen. Staff just scan the code with their device, and PDAble fills in the activity details automatically. It's just a quick tidy up to sign it off. Step 4. Monitor attendance. As staff scan the QR code and record their completion, you'll see everything update in real time. You can monitor attendance and track participation directly from the activity dashboard. Everything stays organized automatically. That's how easy it is to use QR codes in PDAble. It saves time for your staff, reduces admin, and makes professional development tracking effortless. If you haven't used QR codes yet, try adding one to your next activity. You'll immediately see the difference. Thanks for watching.